everybody! Today we are going to do really fun cooking. This is also Korean traditional kind of a fun way of cooking rice. Rice cooked in eggshell. And with these eggs, and also I'm going to make just a simple tukbegi keranjim, steamed eggs. I brought my tukbegi. This earthenware pot. If you don't have this, still you can make it and use just thick bottomed pan. In the old days, my grandmother made a kind of breakfast, lunch, and she used a large cauldron, made this with wood fire. And almost the rice is done, the fire flame is very small. Then she inserts something like goguma and a sweet potato or potato. It's cooking very slowly in embers. I'm going to kind of show you how I do recreate in the fire pit. So we are going to cook this in the eggshell. So first we gotta take it out this egg, right, inside, and eggshell cooking. So this is 1/3 cup rice. I already started soaking 30 minutes ago, and I'm going to pour out this water. This is a small baking pan because if the egg is not very stable, so I like to put it here so that it's not going to moving around. Clean like this, chopstick. So anything you can use. And so you'll see that like a kind of pointed part, and then just in the center, exactly center, I will make a hole. Take off some eggshell. Use a chopstick. Take off. I'll just put it here, and we need 3. Like that. Just little by little. Three eggshell and 3 eggs. So this egg is 3 eggs, and I'm going to make a keranjim. I will add 1 more egg here. In the old days, just they used the soaked rice. Even they didn't measure, just putting in here with the fingers, kind of not easy. I can show you a very easy way. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons soaked rice inside. So how can we? We can use a funnel. Like this, like that. And 1 more. Just little by little. Then, see, rice is inside, just almost half is filled. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons more rice in each eggshell. I don't know who did it first, my ancestors, but in Korea, it's a Gyeongsang province, that area, this kind of, like a kind of a snack, so we love, rice. So rice cooked in the small eggshell can be a good snack. We need to add water. So each one, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons water. 1, 2. Rice and water like this. Today is very cloudy and very cool. I love it because 2 sunny days, not fun, cooking outside. But here it's a perfect temperature. So my eggs are ready, and also I'm going to cook steamed eggs. So 3 eggs, let's add 1 more eggs. Let's add some green onion. So this is a large green onion. I'm going to just a little small one green onion, enough. So 4 eggs, 1 small green onion, chopped green onion. At home, when I make 뚝배기 계란찜, I use chicken stock or anchovy stock. But outside, not easy to make anchovy stock or chicken stock. Quickly, I can use fish sauce. Fish sauce has a really savory flavor. So 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon. And just mix it all together. And then I'm going to add 1 cup water. Nice. And cover this. Let's go to fire pit and cook. It was a big fire, but now it's very low. So I hope it's working. Anyway, if it doesn't work, we can just cook longer. So 뚝배기 계란찜. So if you make this at home, you can use oven, broiler function, really high heat and 20 minutes cooking, and that's done. Nice. I set the table. I made this samjang. I brought from home. At least I need the kimchi. So this is, I brought the kimchi, radish kimchi. I made also extra rice. It's hot. Just like when you shell egg, hard-boiled egg. Let me taste. Looks like egg, but it's not egg. Just only we borrowed the egg shell and we cooked in the egg shell. It's so funny, isn't it? And this is, these days people don't eat much rice. So you guys can, this 1/3 cup, with 1/3 cup, I made 3 eggs and 계란찜. So you guys can eat for 1 person for 1. It's never enough for me. So I made more rice here. Wow, fluffy. You see? Very, very fluffy. Yeah. Soft. Today we made eggshell rice and 계란찜. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.